Hey guys, hope you're having a beautiful and blessed morning, noon, or night. My name is Haley and welcome to my YouTube channel as my first official YouTube video. So like, comment down below what you want to see in future videos and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Once you've done that, let's get into the video.
So you're gonna be in love with me. It's driving me crazy.
Okay, so in this video, I am going to be combing my hair. But in more details, I'm going to be braiding my hair by myself for the first time. Yeah. Slash learn how to braid my hair with me. Like, I don't know what the title is yet, but you know. So yeah, my hair is fully blow dried right now. This is a 360. Yeah. So I might do like a series of learning how to braid my hair because I know how to comb my natural hair, but once I add any stuff to it, like that's where I don't even know. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to be doing small passion twist braids in Suffolk. Maybe gonna be on the screen. Yeah. So this is disclaimer. This is definitely not a tutorial. If you don't know how to braid your hair, I don't either. So I guess it's a learning experience for both of us. Yeah. So I've watched a lot of Instagram stuff, Instagram videos, like people comb their hair, a lot of like things on Pinterest, YouTube, everywhere. I've watched a lot of videos. So it seems easy enough, but we'll see. So yeah. I'm just going to start parting my hair now, which I think is the hardest part, honestly. I feel like after I part my hair, done everything, it should be fine, right? Anyways, so I'm going to part my hair. I have this mirror to help me with the back, like that. And I'm doing the plaits method with this, the crocheting tool. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, so I'm going to be plaiting my hair in the sections. Not the full hair, but like just like the roots, so that it doesn't unravel. And then I push the hair through with that. This is the braid. I'm going to be using Freetress Pre-fluffed 24 inches. Yeah, I didn't know which one to get, honestly. I just got the one that feel like the curls looked good. That's the one I got, but I feel like it'll be fine. And then yeah, and I have this braid formula wax jam thing that smells like glue, but this is it. And yeah, let's get the process started. It's day 3. So I finished all the parting except for two at the front so that I can show you guys like more details how I do it. This is the whole thing. The parting, literally I was about to give up. It was so hard and my arms literally had no feeling, but this is the end product. We're just a little bit closer to the end. I'm gonna show you guys how I part the sections basically, and then actually get into the twisting. Yeah, so yesterday I basically spent the whole day parting and everything, and then when I got bored or like tired, I just like practiced on these two rows. So that's why they're done. So yeah. Actually, no, I see why people don't really talk in hair videos, because this is so much work. But I think once I got past the parting, is like it was easier. So I'm gonna try to measure it up with the other side. Smooth it down. And it's a version 3. And start cutting. And I kind of tightened. I just squeeze it down, pull the parts, and then continue cutting so that the root is like tight. Finished, not the finished product, but this is the finished parting. So now I just have to go in and do the loop to loop. I'm going to actually brush out my ends a little bit, just a little bit. I don't have a reason why, to be honest, but I feel like it will make the twisting smoother. Yes, to part my hair, I kind of followed this chart thing that I found on Pinterest. I followed it after the first couple of rows because I didn't find it, but then I started following it and then I stopped doing it because like it's too much work. It was just really hard, but like if you want like a chart or like a template, whatever, to know how to part the hair, that's what I use, and I found it on Pinterest. So this is a 360 again. Yeah, I'm gonna get to twisting now. guys, this is the finished product. I just finished the last twist. I did my edges. This is a 360. Tell what you think in the comments down below. Personally, I ate this up. Yeah, I think it look really good. I can put it in my side part. Yeah, like it's just cute. That being said, this is the end of the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I have some video ideas for my next couple of uploads, so definitely subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you guys can see when I drop the video. Yeah. Thank you for watching and have a beautiful rest of your day.